Welcome to our channel. If you received an AliBank gift card and need to activate it online, follow these step-by-step instructions to make your card ready for purchases. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the AliBank gift card activation website. The exact URL should be printed on the sticker attached to your gift card or in the accompanying documentation. Step 2. Locate the 16-digit card number on the front of your gift card. You'll need this number to begin the activation process, so have your card ready. Step 3. Enter your 16-digit gift card number in the designated field on the activation page. Double-check that you've entered all digits correctly to avoid errors. Step 4. Provide the 3-digit security code, CVV, found on the back of your gift card. This code is usually located in the signature panel area. Step 5. Enter your zip code or other personal information as requested for verification purposes. This helps ensure the card is being activated by the rightful owner. Step 6. Create a PIN for your gift card if prompted. Some gift cards require a 4-digit PIN for in-store purchases and ATM transactions. Enter your chosen PIN twice for confirmation. Step 7. Review all the information you've entered for accuracy, then click Activate or Submit to complete the activation process. Step 8. Wait for the confirmation message indicating your gift card has been successfully activated. You may also receive a confirmation email with your card details and balance information. Your card is now ready to use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.